Welcome to another episode of the GSatTrack How-To series. In this video, we're going to discuss the fuel consumption report, how it's generated, and the information that can be provided from it. It's important to note that this report is a little different. So in most cases, the fuel reports that we have associated with GSatTrack work off of the idea that you have a particular asset where there is a strong mechanical device inside connected to the ECU of your vehicle. This works on the idea that as a driver, I'm going to input information. So the first step is, as a driver, I have to log into GSatTrack. I have to find my particular asset. In this case, I'm going to use Eugene. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to logs. Now here, I can put in my refueling log. I'm able to put in how much the gas was at the time, what the odometer was of the reading, and the date and time of the actual refueling. Then I want to add the fill up. There's already two here. We can see that the time and the odometer, I generated these myself, but it gives you a good idea of the information that can be put in there. So I can see a difference of 9 miles since my last fill up. I can also show the efficiency, how many miles per gallon I was burning, and then also source of date and time. Now to see this in a visual report, I next need to come into our reports button. Then choose the fuel consumption report. And from here, I want to go ahead and choose Eugene's device. Now again, this is all managed by a person going in and putting in the information itself. So it's only as accurate as the driver or the user makes it. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and put the national average for gasoline, which is 215 right now. And then I'm going to run the report. Now the report, as you saw from the logs, tells us that Eugene has given us all these different locations, no fuel consumption, on these date ranges. And then it's also going to turn around and tell us the fuel, what he paid, average price per gallon, the total distance, the average fuel efficiency, and fuel cost for the individual times that he's had a fill up and the records thereof. So this kind of gives us a good idea of what are people doing, even if we don't have one of those more advanced machines that ties directly into a vehicle. Very powerful report that we can generate and still be semi-accurate on what our people are doing out in the field. So with that, I want to say thank you very much, and I look forward to our next video.